Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old device to Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we can use an app that is called Send Anywhere. This is the one that we want to use, and you want to install this app on both devices, so your Motorola Edge 50 Ultra as well as your old device. And once you are done with the installation, you want to open the app. Then over here, agree to terms and service, and you have to select the other option as well, and then you can press confirm. Over here we need to grant access to files, so let's allow. There we go. We can select not now and then press OK. Over here we also have Wi-Fi direct option if needed. So now we have in this menu where we can send and receive stuff. At the bottom we have the selection. So over here we're gonna go to receive, and let me get my other device. And on the other device you want to simply select what you want to transfer. So in this case, let's say I'm gonna choose this file over here and this one over here, and then you have the send button, so press send, and then you will see the QR code or the numbers that you need to enter. So this is the key that you want to enter over here, so I'm gonna enter the code here and then press receive. And there we go. Now we have those two files that I have selected on my old device. On this one over here we have the history, and we can see what's going on over here. So let's go to, let's say, files by Google, and if we go to images, then we should be able to find our images over here. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.